So hey guys,
What's up to the family?
so again, welcome to our channel, Journey with the Jackson.
Yeah, welcome guys. Thank you for tuning in to us. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead, click that subscribe button, please. Okay, and remember to share, like, and comment.
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, today we're just going on a little drive out.
Yeah.
And we said, why not? Why not just share that with you guys? The streets of Jamaica. It's a Saturday here.
Yeah.
And it's rather overcast. It's bleak.
Yeah, it's bleak.
Right?
Right.
Or as Jamaicans would say, bleaky. So we are just, we're going to where? Portmore?
Yeah, we're going to Portmore.
Right.
That's
so,
in St. Catherine.
Right. So we are just going to take you guys along.
Yeah.
Right? Also, we probably could just have a little chit chat about our days growing up in Jamaica. What we remember, some of our fondest memories growing up in Jamaica. We hope you enjoy, guys.
What are some of your fondest experiences
Growing up? Summertime, us going to the river to swim. We used to have this thing called River Bash, where all the kids would go to the river. Say our parents or so would be there. They would cook maybe some fried chicken and some roast breadfruit or something to that effect. Oh, and another one of my fondest memory also was thing they call bunker. Bunker. It's that part of the palm tree that is like a canal, but it's not really a canal. That you can go and sit in. So as children, we would slide down the little hillside right next to our driveway there.
Yeah, so my sister and I, we used to we had the line, the clothesline. So we would be at opposite ends of the clothesline and we would bat the ball over. So that would have been like a tennis / volleyball mix, because we always watch volleyball too. So I used to play that, and we had a bicycle, a blue BMX bicycle, that we usually, because we live below a slope, so we usually go on top of the hill, where the road wasn't paved, so it was kind of rocky, and we used to run the bicycle from the top of the hill, come down to the side and draw the brakes last minute. Like, my mother used to be so frightened. Every time she see the bicycle coming down, she said, Jesus Christ, I'm dead now. So I always hope the mommy stay inside of the house when we are come down the hill, you know. Because when she come out and see ramping stopping her, man, because she start going bad, you know. Mommy start going bad. Mommy I said, no more riding. I actually have a scar on my leg, because we had some concrete blocks the side of the house, and one time I was coming down the hill and draw the brakes, and the brakes cable burst to how fast we were coming down, and I went straight into the blocks. All my sheng, that's the area, the sheng.
Sheng, is there something really called a sheng?
I don't know. front part of my foot.
That's a Jamaican term.
Slap up in the block, chop out. My gosh.
I never know you used to ride like that on the hill.
Yes, man. Coming off on the hill, rock.
I know you used to ride bicycle, but I didn't know you actually got injured on it.
Serious speed I come down.
Well, you know, talking about bicycle, we had a bicycle too, but it was like they call it the Obina brake bicycle. With that bicycle, the brake was in the pedals, right? So it was kind of a little bicycle, and me and my neighbor, the little guy, not more than after me sitting on the bar, him sitting on the seat. The boy, because you know, in deep rural communities, oftentimes the road bad. So the young man do not more than just just step on the bicycle, skin him teeth, and actually have the bicycle run down the hill on high speed. And my mother in the house, Jesus, you were calling me now, run. Because I messaged to the boy, say, press the brake. The boy made the bicycle run. Like, guys, I mentioned the honest truth. I don't know what stopped the bicycle from actually going over the hillside. I don't know what stopped it, but I know I got a fine whopping. I still love bicycle riding, but I've never allowed anyone to tow me on a bicycle since then. No, because like if you're not an expert,
you were traumatized.
Yeah, I think so, because I don't see the boy was just there. How is it?
Good man.
It was definitely an adventure, man. Those are the days. I love it. I would not trade my childhood days for nothing. And when it was guinea time, we would go climb the guinea trees. When it was mango time, oh my gosh. I think that is why even up until today, I cannot eat one mango. I have to eat at least 6 at any given time.
I'll give Mr. Victor here.
Okay.
If I take home one mango for Shana, Shana does not look at the mango. Shana is like, yeah babe, thanks, you can put it there. Babe's only one. Yeah babe. It's a thought.
Oh yeah, it's a thought. And of course I appreciate it, guys, but I definitely
it's no fun for Shana to eat one mango.
No.
She doesn't find it fun.
No. And another thing is, like when I was growing up, there was like a jelly walk, like a coconut walk, close to my house. So me and my brother and my sister would have like a crocus bag. You know what a crocus bag is? The bag.
A market bag.
Yeah, or the ones that rice comes in.
Yeah.
Those kind of bags. And we would definitely pack those bags with the jelly and draw them to the house. Even to the point where even when it was almond time, we used to go and pick up almonds and mommy would help us to break them.
Yeah.
And oh my god, I had a great childhood in deep rural Portland. Like I remember my grandmother roasting corn for us, and she would say like, how much corn the pan boat? And shake it up like this and say, how many corn pan boat? So what she would do is like take some corn grains, some grains of the corn after it's roasted and put it in her hand, and she would shake them like this and say, how much corn the pan board, which is how many corns in your hand, right? Or on the boat, which is your hand. And we would guess, and if like she had 5, if
what happened if you got them right?
We got them. We got the corn, the grain of corn. And it was so cool. I don't know if I like the roast corn, but the point is, it was fun to play that with my granny. We would just burst out into some big laugh, you know. Yeah, that sometimes we bet and there's nothing in our hands. It was so fun.
Sometimes no corn in hand.
No, sometimes no corn in hand. But yeah, those were the days. Or when my grandma was baking like potato pudding. Like I have no story. Like she used to bake potato pudding, and I would be so excited, like we just couldn't wait. I love potato pudding, and she would bake some real good ones. And every single minute, and when the potato pudding finally finished, as a matter of fact, she would bake it on a cold stove. Yeah, not a cold stove, but a cold stove. COAL, sorry, cold stove. And so there's fire on the top of it.
Yeah.
And then fire at the bottom. So she'll put it in the pot them call what? A Dutchie. And when
Dutch pot.
A Dutch pot, right? Or Dutchie.
A Dutchie.
So when you put it in there, it's like and then you put a piece of zinc or so on top of to cover it, a clean piece of zinc, and then you put some coal on that, And then, you know, them say, that's what you call a pudding, hella bottom, hella top.
Hella top. What am I?
Pudding, no, hallelujah in the middle, you forget the part.
Oh, yeah.
So it's hella bottom, hella top.
What am I?
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah in the middle.
Or when she used to make toto, this is another Jamaican pastry made out of coconut and flour.
Toto, yeah. You know, toto, but I love toto at one point. No, I think I would prefer the pudding. The potato pudding over the toto. Yeah. But you have some toto used to make. Hey, when you taste them toto, they when they warm and things.
Yeah, but I think I think that is the best time to eat it for me. Yeah, when it's warm. So I did Monty, remember?
Yeah.
But yeah, it was really, really good. So we had a good childhood.
Yeah.
Very safe. We weren't
not so safe, to be honest with you.
In terms of what? We weren't exposed to violence.
No, not in that sense, but some of the things that we did could have jeopardized our life, like climbing some trees, swinging, almost falling out of the trees.
Yeah.
You know, swing song. Yeah, you remember swing song?
I used to have one where the swing song would go so high. So high.
Yeah.
And not to mention when you ask like your sibling to like push it, pull it back.
Yeah, and push it hard.
Man.
Yes, man. Because those swing songs, a lot of times we made them on some limbs that weren't so sturdy. So
kind of flexible.
Some slim limbs.
Yeah.
So when you're swinging on them, the tree is shaking. Yeah. Going up in the air, the further you go, the more the tree shake. You come back down like.
Well, the truth is,
sometimes it bursts, you know.
No, I've never experienced that before because our swing song was always like on a sturdy ackee tree at the back.
Sometimes it's on a sturdy thing and the rope pop.
Oh yeah.
The rope burst. Yeah. So so sometimes you drop. But I dropped down in some bush. But God was with us.
He was.
God was with us. And marble. Baby, talk about marble playing. Hey, my cousin and we used to play marble. Knocks the marble.
I would call it Broxy.
Yeah. And my cousin and so we used to play a lot of marble games because he would have the bottle with the marble and he would take out. I remember he had one marble and his marble would chip a lot of my marbles.
But those, you know, it was a prized possession even when you play Broxy, because Broxy is when you play a competition, marble game competition, and anyhow the truck passing. So anyhow anybody win the game, take the marbles. That's what Broxy is about.
Yeah.
So you end up with a whole heap
of marbles. So Dean always had a lot of marbles, but I used to buy my marbles. I used to have a lot of marbles too. So and then sometimes I would say that I won my marbles by playing, but most time is by buying.
Yeah, but you know,
I had a lot of marbles.
And you know what? We used to, but I don't know. There's just so many things that we used to do. We used to play even Chinese skip.
Yeah.
So we would use the elastic band.
Yeah.
And we play. We were so flexible too because we used to.
And sometimes when they put the Chinese skip first, you start with the ankle.
Yeah. Then to the
and
knee.
then our midway knee, then knee, and then hip, and then
under here.
Above your waist, and final, your shoulder. So you have to stay from outside and jump.
It's like high jump, you know.
Oh yeah, but I think after it reach your shoulder,
you go your neck.
Then you don't have to jump. I think you can just go underneath and you part it, but you have to jump up in the air and get it underneath your foot bottom.
Yeah.
You have to jump up that. You have to jump super high. Yeah, you have to jump super high. to get it under your foot bottom. That was crazy.
Oh my gosh. Guys, we have so many stories to tell.
Yeah.
I mean,
Right
we could go on and on and
Yes,
on.
play bouncy. When the rubber band, you bounce it against the wall and try to get it to fall on the ground and cross over the other rubber band on the ground.
So you can take those.
Yes, accuracy. So you have to have good accuracy.
And skill.
Yeah. But a lot of children growing up today won't experience that.
Yeah. But that's how we grew up. It was great. It was a great time. And I know, you know what? I know it was good, babe. There are definitely people out there who can relate to what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And they're just laughing because they have their own memories
And cricket.
of the very same experience.
Hey, this can take a while because a lot of things they are coming to me now. So let us know some of the games that you played. How you had fun, how some of your pastime went, and yeah, just comment below, put it.
Alright, and guess what? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not already done so. And
yes, guys,
if you like this video and you care to share, go right ahead, guys. Go share our videos and like.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and for supporting us. We appreciate it.
100.
And we say bye.
Bye.